this. On A, it is going to some state. On B, it is going to some state. Is it finite automata or not? Say yes or no. Please respond, all of you. Rishita, Sheshu, Akila, Preeti.
Ma'am.
Everybody. Clear, ma? The first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next I'm giving you R is equals to A, B star A. A, B star A. How can we draw this? First initial state, which is A, B star A, and final state it is going next. On A, it is going to next state, B star. B star means you may consider or you may not consider, which is nothing but simply self state. Is it the finite automata for A, B star A? Is this the finite automata for A, B star A? Is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next thing is R is equals to A star B. Simply A star B. How can we draw this? Initial state to final state. First I'm writing whatever the expression they have given to you. Next A star means it will revolve here as a self state. Is it A star B? Is it A star B? Please respond, ma. Everyone in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next thing is R is equals to A star plus B star. You tell me what is how can we construct it? A star or B star? Any one of you please try it. Rishita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond. How can you draw this? First I'm drawing A star plus B star. Plus means?
Comma.
Right? So it is A star. It is B.
Parallel loops, ma'am. BA star.
Yes. Right? So this we can write it as A star, which means like this. B star means B here and A star here. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next thing is A plus BA whole star plus B. A plus BA whole star plus B. First I'm writing it like parallel edges A plus BA, okay, or B. We can write this like a self loop, no? So I'm writing like this A plus BA, which is B, okay, which is B. Next to what I'm doing, observe carefully. B I'm writing as it is, ma. A plus BA. A plus BA means you may go to A any number of times or BA any number of times. Are you following, ma? You may go to either only A or BA any number of times. BA, 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 BA. Or you directly go to B. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Next thing is R is equals to, ఇది నేను చెప్పను మీరే చెప్పాలి. A star B whole star B, at least you try. If you are unable to do it, I'll tell. A plus B whole star. First you tell me how can you do this? How can you do this? Please respond. Rishita.
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, first self loop.
Very good. Self loop of A star B. I'm drawing.
B, ma'am. Then B.
Hmm.
Then again self loop of A plus B.
Okay, right? This is the thing. Now A star B. What does it mean after A star B? How can you draw this?
Ma'am, parallel loops for A and B because it can go any number of times.
No, it is concatenation. No, it is not union. So observe carefully. A star means, can I draw A star like this? Because this is a whole star will represent here. A star, any number of times it may repeat. Right? Next, B also whole star, which is, can I write like this? Which is A, B, A, B, A, any number of times A, B. Okay, next, this B I'm writing directly. A plus B means simply I'm writing it like A comma B. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm moving forward. నెక్స్ట్ మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి ఇది ఇప్పుడు A plus B star A whole star B A B star. This is B, ma'am. Tell me the logic. Roll number 53. Will you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Initially, I'm drawing this A plus B star A. Next. Next, you tell me. $53 or 33 or remaining people. Any one of you. Please respond, ma.
Ma'am, then to the on B,
Yes.
self loop AB.
Self loop AB. Okay. Next, how can you divide this? This is plus. No, plus means directly you can take B. Sorry, A. Next, another edge is B star. B star means, can I draw like this? This is B star. After B star,
Self loop A. Sorry, ma'am. The other loop is A.
A, right? Next, B. AB, how can we draw? AB, how can we draw? AB whole star, no? It is A, it is B. Is it AB whole star or not?
Yes.
This is nothing but the finite automata for the given regular expression. Any doubt, ma? Any doubt here? I'm moving forward. Next, you do it A star, B star. ఇది చాలా సింపుల్, చెప్పాలి మీరు. A star, B star. Please respond.
Ma'am, from the initial state,
Okay, what about B star?
ma'am, we put the bottom arrows one to the other one. Clockwise. Yes, ma'am. B.
Is it?
No, ma'am. Then that will become B. Yes, ma'am.
This is the thing, right? ఇది బాటమ్ లో డ్రా చేయాలని లేదు, సైడ్ బై సైడ్ అయినా డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే ఓకే మా.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, R is equals to AB whole star A star. Tell me. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఆలోచించింది కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది చెప్పు. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఆలోచించింది కరెక్ట్. ఏబి ఎనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ మే రిపీట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏ ఆల్సో ఎనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ మే రిపీట్. గాట్ ఇట్ మా?
Ma'am, it is A star, no? Doesn't mean can we have a self loop, ma'am?
Directly?
Yes, ma'am. Why another thing?
Okay, then what happens? Observe here. A, B, A star, AB, A star, AB, like this. Like this you'll get.
Okay, ma'am.
That's why I'm drawing like this. Need doubt ఏంటంటే మేడం ఇప్పుడు A star అంటే we may consider zero occurrences also, no? Then why you are giving at least one transition? Is that your doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Why I have given means, observe carefully, this is also a final step. If I want, I can take. If I don't want, I did not go this direction. I did not go in that direction means I'm not considering, no. If I'm willing, then only I'll go there. If I'm not willing, I will not go there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. A star B plus BA whole star. చెప్పాలి మీరు. First we'll take this. Initial state and final state are same. A star B, no? So first A star I'm drawing. A star B I'm drawing. Any confusion here? A star B. Okay, again whole star is there, no? So I'm going back on A. So A star B, again A star B, again A star B. Any number of times it will repeat. Next, what about BA? Simply it is BA, BA, any number of times BA. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Next example is find the number of states in minimal GFA, minimal finite automata that accepts the regular language generated by the regular expression. What is the expression they are giving you? The expression R is equals to A plus triple A whole star. This is the expression they have given to you. Please tell me what is the answer for this. First, A means how can you draw? It is A. Is it accepting or not? Is it accepting or not? A.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, one more A I want to accept. One more A means how can you draw? Again, triple A or, right? A. Is it accepting triple A or not? A it is accepting, triple A it is accepting. All whole star. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Say
Yes,
yes or no. Okay, with this concept, we have completed how to construct the finite automata for the given regular expression. Okay, so in the second module, we have seen what is a regular expression, how can we generate the language for the regular expression, how can we convert the given regular expression to finite automata and the finite automata to the regular expression. These things we have seen. If you have any doubt, please raise your voice. Please let me know if you have any doubts regarding this. Is my screen visible to you? Is my screen visible to you? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we discussed, regular expressions we have discussed, finite automata and regular expressions we discussed. Applications of regular expressions we'll see later. Closure properties of regular sets. Okay. Closure properties of regular sets. Let's see now. So after closure properties, tomorrow we'll see, I think I'm having class tomorrow, right? So tomorrow I'll complete pumping lemma for regular languages, equivalence and minimization of finite automata already we have seen. At last we'll see the applications of this regular expressions. Then we'll complete the module. Within 2 classes, I'll complete the module. Now we'll discuss about what are the closure properties of the finite automata or regular language or regular expression, whatever may be. Okay, what we are going to discuss, which is the closure properties. Seema, if you remember the thing, if you remember this, regular language is closed under everything. Regular language is closed under everything. Regular language satisfy all the properties. For example, first one is clean closure. Can we draw the finite automata? Can we construct the finite automata for clean closure? Is it possible or not? Can we construct the finite automata for A star? Is it possible to construct? Is it possible to construct? మీరు రెస్పాండ్ అయితేనే కదా నాకు తెలుస్తుంది. Can we able to construct the finite automata for A star?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can construct. So, regular language or regular expression is closed under this clean closure. Next is complement. Is it closed under complement? Is it closed under complement? Is it closed under complement? Just think, ma. Suppose complement under, what does it mean? I'm giving you a task that construct a GFA which accepts or which starts with 1 annanu. Input symbols meek nenu sigma is equals to 0 1 annanu. Here I have given the question as construct finite automata where all the strings must start with 1 annanu. Ante 1 to start avvali ani cheppanu. Then complement em avutadi? What is the complement of that? పక్కాగా 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వకూడదు. 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వకూడదు అంటే మీ దగ్గర ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏంటి? 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్, 2 ఇన్పుట్ సింబల్స్. 1 తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వకూడదు అంటే which means it must start with 0. Can we construct the finite automata which starts with 0? Is it possible to construct? See, construct finite automata which starts with 0. Is it possible to construct or not? Please tell me. Is it possible to construct finite automata which starts with 0? Are you there in the session
Yes,
or not?
ma'am.
Why you people are not responding? See, we can construct the finite automata with 0. So it is closed under complement also. Next, reversal. Yes, finite automata is closed under reversal also. Finite automata is closed under reversal also. For example, AB is the string. We can construct the finite automata for BA also. So if AB is possible means BA is also possible, which means the construction is possible. That is reversal. Next, prefix operator. Just in the complement part itself, I told you is starting with, ending with, all are possible. Next, concatenation. For AB, we can construct. So concatenation is also closed under this regular language. Next, union means A plus B. Yes, we can able to construct. Intersection also we can able to construct. Next, difference, semantic difference, quotient, substitution, homomorphism, inverse homomorphism. Okay, these all are the closure properties of regular language. Almost all the regular languages are closed under all the properties. Regular language is closed under all the properties. In that, you just learn these 8 is difference, 9 is symmetric difference, 10 is substitution, 11 is quotient, 12 is homomorphism. You just remember these 12. First one is clean closure. Next is complement, reversal, prefix, concatenation, union, intersection, symmetric difference, substitution, and homomorphism. These are the things the regular language is closed under all these properties. The regular language is closed under all these properties. The regular language is closed under all these properties. The next concept is pumping lemma that we'll discuss tomorrow. Pumping lemma and ఇంకొక కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏముంది దాంతో అయిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఈక్వివాలెన్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఎఫ్ఏ అని ఉంది, అది కూడా ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఎనీ డౌట్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ వాట్ వి డిస్కస్ టిల్ నౌ? Can anyone tell me what is a regular expression? Any one of you?
The pattern that generates a set of strings.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the operators? Can you please summarize what we discussed till now in the module 2?
Ma'am, we spoke about what is a regular expression, and then we spoke about 3 regular operators, ma'am. Clean closure, concatenation, and union.
Okay.
Then we also learned how to form a regular expression for the given language.
Okay.
Then regular expression using finite automata, and then decomposition of finite automata to regular expression. Then these properties, ma'am, closure properties.
Closure properties. Okay. In the next session, we'll discuss about the pumping lemma. Next, one more topic is there, equivalence. Equivalence and applications both I'll cover in the one class. So tomorrow I'll demonstrate the pumping lemma session. On next we will get the class on Monday, right? Next Monday. That Monday I'll cover this applications. So Monday onwards you are having the Michnu. In that class itself I'll complete. Okay, be prepared for the mid exams. If you have any doubt, please raise your voice. If not, I'll give you some questions. How to construct the finite automata for the regular expression. We have some examples now. I'll give you some more examples. Please do it. The regular expression is that A star B plus AB whole star B AB whole star. A star B plus AB whole star B whole star. Got it, ma? Did you try? Will you try? Sheshu, Rishita, Preeti, please respond. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try to construct. If you are unable to do it, I'll tell you. Okay, Rishita. Done, ma? 53. Sheshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done, ma? 53.
Yes.
Okay, tell me the diagram. Tell me the finite automata. First, we will construct A star B. Okay. A star B plus AB on B. Next is AB. How can you construct this? A star B, AB, B, sorry, A, B. B, A, B. Next, what you have to do, this A star B also you have to. How can you draw that, this A star B? B, A, B, next, A star B, no? So this also will draw like this. A star B, same. Here A, here also A. This is A star B. Meanwhile, you are having B, A, B. Okay, one more state I have added, no? B, A, B. This will repeat a number of times. Am I clear with this? Next question is R is equals to A star B plus B star A whole star. Please let me know the answer. Please do it. Done, ma? 53?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Complete after that acknowledge. Then I'll get to know that you have completed. Completed. Done, ma. 53 అయిపోయిందమ్మా. Or still doing? See, simple thing. First we are having A star B. Okay. Comma plus means which is comma B star A. How can we draw this? How can we draw this? B comma A. On B it is going to next state B. How many number, any number of times it may revolve, same A. Okay, this is nothing but the finite automata for the given regular expression. If you have any doubt, please raise your voice. Okay, those who are having doubts, they can stay and remaining people can leave the session.
మ్యామ్
Yes, ma'am.
మూడులో క్లాస్ వీడియోస్ అప్లోడ్ చేశారమ్మా.
Class videos.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్, రికార్డెడ్ వీడియోస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ క్లాస్
చేశారా అని అడుగుతున్నావు, చేయమని అడుగుతున్నావు?
చేశారమ్మా.
ఎందుకు చేస్తాను మూడుల్లో?
లేదు మ్యామ్, మళ్ళీ క్లాస్ విందామా?
మూడులో ఎప్పుడు అప్లోడ్ చేయం కదా మనం.
మ్యామ్
మూడులో ఎప్పుడన్నా అప్లోడ్ చేశారా?
లేదు మ్యామ్, మీద సైట్ ఉంటుంది.
మరి నీకు ఈరోజు క్లాస్ అంటే కావాలి అంటే నువ్వు రిక్వెస్ట్ చేయాలి, కానీ మూడులో అయితే అప్లోడ్ చేయరు అది. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఎందుకు ఈరోజు క్లాస్ వినలేదా? 31
మ్యామ్ లేట్గా జాయిన్ అయ్యా.
ఓకే, సరే. నీకు కావాలంటే నువ్వు పర్సనల్ గా అడగాలి. ఓకేనా? అప్పుడు నేను
Okay, ma'am.
share చేస్తాను. Okay, then ending the meeting, ma. If you have any doubt, please ask in the next session. Okay, I'm ending the meeting.